have an exciting show today. I have one of my favorite chefs from the Sudan, Sambuxas. Gladys, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm well.
And today is her. Everybody, it's Glitter. What's going on? We have an exciting show today. We are going to be cooking. You know, I don't be cooking like that. Okay, Gladys is here. She's celebrating 4 years of her starting her catering business. Let's see the business. This is Sam. Say hi.
Hi, I'm Gladys, chef and...
Hi, Sam. How are you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
So excited to have you here to show us how to make some Sudanese food.
Yes.
Tell us a little bit about Sambuxa.
So Sambuxa is a Sudanese catering business in New York. We do different pop-ups and different catering gigs all over the city. There's no Sudanese restaurant, so if you want Sudanese food, you gotta call us.
And you also do private dinners?
Yes.
And all of that?
All of
catering?
It. Catering. We also have sweets, Sambuxa sweets.
Did you bring me any cookies today?
Not today, girl. But
no cookies. Okay.
But I got you some Sambuxas.
Oh, some samosas.
Yes, hand-wrapped.
Hand-wrapped samosas. We're going to make those in a little bit, guys. Make sure you keep it locked. Make sure you like, subscribe. And you also have a YouTube channel. What's your YouTube channel?
It's at Sambuxa NYC.
You guys see it? At Sambuxa NYC. Make sure you're following her and letting her know how good, because she be cooking up a storm on that page. All right, y'all. Let's get... You're going to be making what?
I'm making Sudanese Suya.
Sudanese Suya.
Suya. So it's just meat coated in peanuts. So you see, I soaked my chicken, because I'm Sudanese and Haitian, in lemon, salt, and garlic, just to give it a nice clean wash and desanitization.
Nice.
Yes, we don't play that. We don't play that.
We don't play that. Okay. Is it going to be spicy and hot? Because Suya from Nigeria is very spicy.
I added some spice, but
okay.
You can add more if you like.
Okay.
Yes, so I'm just rinsing off the chicken. We're going to clean this a little later. Just so I can touch other stuff. Okay. So we're going to go over here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, thanks, guys. Everyone's wishing a happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy 4th birthday.
Sambuxa can walk and talk, and she goes.
I can switch this for you. Look at you.
Look
at her being. Look at what women do too much.
Too much.
Why is she twisting it herself? Women, ask for help.
What is your problem?
Be okay to ask for help.
Women, it's okay to ask for help.
Women, it's okay to ask for help.
I'm still live. They still need to see it.
Yeah, they see it. I twisted it, but you're covering it. That's why they're not seeing.
No,
okay.
Oh, wait.
What's? She's clearly an A-type person.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to cut the chicken. So you just get one of your chicken breasts, for example, and then you angle your knife like so, and then you cut this way, like that.
I've never cut chicken like that in my life.
And then you can also tenderize it, but nobody got time. So we're just going to do it my way.
Okay.
There we go. Do you hear that?
You cut the chicken in an angle manner, guys.
Yes, very thinly. You can also do this with beef. There we go. Okay. We're not going to do too much. We'll prep the rest later.
Okay.
So you guys can just see. I've already prepped some here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And
why are we leaving that one out?
You want to? Okay.
Make sure you're making all the chicken.
Okay. We are making all of it. Never mind.
Never mind. All of it.
All right. So, if you guys have a blender at home to make Sudanese agache, you need peanuts, regular peanuts, not roasted. So here is my mix. I just put it in one of my blenders, like the Ninja.
Yeah.
You can use your Vitamix. And here is the Suya powder, the agache powder. It's just ground peanuts with lots of spices, cumin, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and some secret ingredients, because I'm not telling y'all. Trade secret.
Exactly. Just book her to make some for you.
Yes. So you see the Sudanese one, mine at Sambuxa NYC is more coarse. I like it like that because I like a little bit of a peanut flavor on it. Yes. Okay. So what you're going to do is just basically coat your chicken. It's already been marinated and cleansed. So you're just gonna coat it like that. Make sure it's fully covered. Like that. And I like to pat it down to make sure that the chicken, you see, is nicely covered. Oh my god, if y'all could smell this. Can you smell it, Aisha?
I can smell the peanuts.
Hey.
I can smell it.
So if you have a peanut allergy, forget about Sudanese food. It's not for you.
Oh,
I'm
Lord.
sorry.
So everything in like a lot of the food in Sudan is made with peanuts?
Yes, we put it literally in everything. Senegal likes to claim that they're the peanut nation, but it's not true. It's us.
Okay.
Because we put it in our tea, in our coffee. We put it in our salads, in our hot sauce, on our meats, as you can see.
Yeah.
And we even put it with fish.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Look at that. Ooh. There we go. I love this. This is one of my favorites. At the outdoor markets, this was one of our top selling items because everybody loves skewers, but then everybody also loves peanuts. Yeah. Right?
So you put it with the skewers when you go to the market? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And then we had them on the grill.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe this year there might be some lucky markets that will have this.
Exactly.
Can you guys see? Oh, let me get out the way.
Yeah, let me move that around.
Skewers.
Some skewers.
Like that. Let me keep this out the way.
I said, do not cut me with that knife.
Okay, there we go. And you just skewer it up, put it on your skewer like that. Okay.
Do we spray this up with some oil spray or something?
You can spray this.
The skewer, okay.
The skewer itself, yeah.
Alrighty.
I like to do that.
I have some spray. The spray's
cool.
over there.
I'm glad you do. Yes, like that. Oh, this is going to be so good.
Nice.
So it's already,
It's very similar to also the Thai chicken satay.
Yeah.
It's similar, but it's not. The chicken satay is more sweet than.
Oh.
It's Swedish. They put a little bit. There's some sweetness to it.
Yeah. What did they put on it?
I don't
really know.
But it's very similar to the chicken satay from Thai. Thai's chicken satay.
Exactly. Yes. It's just like that.
Okay.
It's good. We already preheated the oven. So what do you remember about Sudanese food, Aisha?
That you guys have a love for peanuts.
Yeah.
So everything is basted and peanutted to death.
Okay. That's
right?
True.
To death. True. Peanut.
Yes.
Is peanut a plant that's available in the Sudan?
It's actually indigenous to Sudan.
That's what see, that's so it's
just like
bounty.
Watermelon.
Yeah. So there's a bounty of it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Sudanese food is basically a mix of all of Africa, because all of Africa used to pass through Sudan to go to Hajj.
It was like a gateway.
Yeah, ancient trade routes.
Yes,
used to pass through Sudan.
Then the famous Musa Mansa, I think, passed through Sudan to go to some places.
I'm sure he did.
He was the richest man in Mali.
Yes, I want to be rich like him.
Exactly.
Let's sell these Sambuxas. Amen.
It's going in the oven, guys. Ooh,
Before.
Can't wait. So we're making a Sudanese salad, cucumber, tomatoes.
Yes.
These are pre-diced, so.
Yes. And then we have some scallions and cilantro.
Yum.
This is so... Oh my god, this is my favorite salad.
That looks
I
good.
eat this every day. And then you just mix it up like so. Look at that. Doesn't that look cute? Everybody the whole world kind of has a salad like this pico de gallo.
What takes long is the prepping, guys. The prep of that is what is the problem.
No, it doesn't take long. I'll show you how to cut this tomato in 2 seconds.
Ready?
Okay, and now I'm going to show you guys how to make a traditional Sudanese dressing. Okay? So like I said, we love peanuts in Sudan. So we have moms like you, choose Jeff. Choose Jeff. No. Product placement.
But they have Sudanese
Sudanese peanut butter tastes much better.
Okay.
It's like much fresher. The peanuts taste different. Everything tastes better at home, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. We're gonna add some sesame oil. The Sudanese one is more clear, but this will do. Some salt
to taste.
Just a bit. Some pepper. Like that. And some cumin. These are the spices
you need
in the Sudanese kitchen.
Okay.
Yeah. Like that. And then we're just gonna add a tad bit of olive oil. Like that. And we're just gonna mix it up. And then add some water. See that?
So no vinegary kind of thing?
It's coming. The acidity. Okay. She's checking us.
I'm just asking.
She's checking us.
I'm just asking. Yes.
She says Sudanese people don't know how to cut. Hi.
I didn't say that.
Look. Wow.
That looks good.
Yeah. Like that. And then we're just going to add secret ingredient, lemon.
Lemon is acidity.
Yeah, there you go. So we just go like that. Like that. See it? Ooh. Yes. Balance, balance. All about balance in Sudan.
Hope you guys are enjoying this. Don't say that I have not done something different. Sambuxa NYC. Make sure you're looking that up. We're celebrating 4 years with Sambuxa.
Yay!
Woman-owned business. It's Women's History Month, so we have to celebrate our black and brown businesses. Okay? Alrighty. It's flipping. Yes.
Doesn't that look good? And
that looks. That's gonna be yummy.
All up like that. You can also add some feta cheese to it. Yeah.
So she's about to fry some sambuxas.
Yes, they're already prepped and ready.
She's making a specialty cocktail.
We have hibiscus, but mocktail, no cocktails.
I thought you said we were getting drinks, Sam. What's this like mocktail stuff about? What's happening? What's happening? We want drinks.
My father is watching.
Oh, okay, your father is watching. Okay, then so
we're just gonna put a little bit of hibiscus. Concentrate. It's just sugar and hibiscus, really.
Okay.
So in Sudan, this is called karkade, and we drink it all the time.
Okay.
We're gonna add our sparkly water.
It's kind of like sobolo or
sorrel.
Sorrel.
Yes. But without all the ginger and all those things. We're gonna put a little bit of that because this is Sudanese champagne.
Sudanese champagne.
Yes. All right.
Can I get us cheers then? Happy birthday, 4 years and more to come. Cheers. Everybody, hope you got your cocktails. Got your drinks? You got your drinks up? Get your drinks up. Get your drinks up. Get your drinks up. Come on. She's making the sambuxas here, guys. She heated the pan to be piping hot when you're frying it, right?
Yes. When you see the bubbles, that's when you know
it's okay to do. Guys, look at the final product. Yum. Sudanese Suya. Sudanese salad. Sambuxas. Hot pepper. Ah, look at that. Doesn't it look yummy? Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat. I'm going to chop well today. Make sure you guys are following Sambuxa NYC. Sam, you did a wonderful job. Thank you so much. It looks amazing.
Thank you for having me.
Sambuxa NYC, guys. Make sure you are following Empowering Black Women. It's Black History Month, guys. Make sure you share, like, follow. It's glitter. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully Sam comes cook some other food. See, me, I'm just trying to eat. Clearly. Yes, I'm just trying to eat.
I like to cook.
I'm trying to eat some good food. It's glitter. Make sure you like, follow, and hit the share button. It doesn't hurt you. Get me to 3,000. Okay, get me to 3,000. Mwah. Talk to you soon. Sam is about to make a freaking sandwich with the delicious food. Oh, you got little pockets? Pockets. Yes.
This is Sudanese food, but we don't just do whatever, right?
Yeah.
We're Sudanese. We do it correct. So you take out the skewer. Okay, so we're going to clean it. And you're just going to take some lettuce. Okay. A little bit of
Could you use any kind of lettuce?
Yeah.
Okay.
But the best is arugula for Sudanese food.
Okay.
I couldn't find any at the supermarket. Maybe it's not in season. Gonna take some of that salad and put that in there into your sandwich.
Okay.
Wow. Because you need balance. Then you add your chicken in there, your agache inside there, and you're gonna put a little bit of that hot sauce.
Okay.
Ooh.
Ready to go. Yummy.
Ready to chop.
Take a bite. Sambuxa NYC.
Blessings.
Blessings. Yum. Sambuxa NYC. 4 years. Yummy. I hope you guys enjoyed the show with Sambuxa Gladys. Make sure you look her up. I'm going to link all her links below in the description box. But the food was absolutely delicious, and she left me so much food I kept on eating. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and also subscribe to Gladys's channel. Talk to you guys soon. It's Glitter. Bye.
Dope Nation. Give me 2 shots on the regular.